Yeah, you guys see that right there. Nvidia is bouncing back, baby, up over 7%. And we have to break down the charts, do an update, and go over what I'm doing. I actually bought more again today. So let's get into it. Guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your 30 stocks for a Moo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, guys. It's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo if you want your free stocks, your free money. And now let's get into it, guys. So Nvidia up 7.3%. Crazy bounce back day, and the entire stock market is moving as well. QQQ's up 1.4%. The Dow's up 0.25%. All right, not that much, but still it's in the green. And the S&P's up 0.8%, guys, and the VIX is down 7%. The Russell is slightly in the red, though, but that is rebounding. Let me show you this. Russell was even more in the red earlier, but now it's about to flip green. Only down what? 1 point, literally 1 point. So yeah, we're seeing a nice bounce back after yesterday's debacle, which we're not going to get too deep into in this video, but we're getting a nice rebound in the stock market. You guys can see SPY's bouncing back nicely here on this intraday. If I pull the 5-day up, you guys can see if it wants to load. There we go. We're starting to bounce back here, which is nice. Same thing here on QQQ. You guys see that? We're actually taking out the highs from yesterday, at least intraday yesterday, which is great. So that's all good news for the bulls, right? And Nvidia, I'm not sure if you guys saw it today. This thing hit $116 again this morning, but now we're rebounding to over 126. Like I said, up over 7%. Now we're about to hit 127. We're about to hit 127. So I bought more yesterday and today. We covered it yesterday. I think I told you guys I bought at 124, right? Roughly, obviously not to the exact cent there, but I did buy more at 124, and I bought more today at $125-ish. And you're probably like, Stas, what the heck, man? You didn't buy it at 118, 19, 16. No, I didn't. And to be honest, I don't care. These couple of dollars don't matter to me because I think Nvidia is gonna do very well this year and into the future where it won't even matter. You know, it's like this is a stock I've owned already. I've bought many times. So it doesn't really fluctuate your cost basis too much. I mean, if you guys are looking at, a couple dollars, right, whatever. But if you're looking at, let's see here, 15%, yeah, that's a different story. That matters. And that's why I'm buying, because we're dumping like crazy from where we were just a couple days ago, which you guys obviously know. And I've seen a lot of people out there in the retail community, right, stock community. A lot of people are buying up Nvidia here, and I'm one of them, right? I'm adding more to my position. Again, I bought more today, bought more yesterday, and I'm going to continue buying. If this thing slips back to the 1-teens, it's still possible. It could happen, although it does look like we're potentially putting in a bottom here, potentially a double bottom. You guys see it. It's still possible, though. We might go back to the 1-teens, maybe under 110. Who knows? And if that happens, yes, I'll be buying more at that point. But for now, guys, I bought yesterday, bought more today, and it's like I'm just sitting on what I got for now. Kind of just waiting things out, especially because we're up a lot on the day. Last thing I want to do is just buy a ton right now, and then it just dumps tomorrow. So I'm going to just wait it out and see how it goes. But, yeah, Nvidia is looking great right now, guys, on the day. And even if you were to buy now, man, if you want to nibble a little bit, if you have a long-term view, here's a great spot. Again, we're down 15, 20% from highs. Whether you buy it at 125, 120, 127, doesn't really matter. It doesn't make that much of a difference long-term. But I'm not going to go all in personally right now because I bought again earlier today, like I said, and yesterday, and I've been buying, so I'm just going to wait it out for now. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. It's very important. We're actually almost at 50,000 subs. It's nuts. I think we're 700 away, something like that. So guys, make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all as always. And I actually have a second channel. Almost forgot to mention it here, guys. It's been a while, but check that out as well. Almost at 1,000 subs at Stas Talks Money. It's linked down below. So let's go over some other stocks here that are moving. I mean, we might as well dive into Palantir today. I didn't get to do an update on them. Maybe I'll do, well, probably will do one tomorrow. But if we take a look at Palantir right now when I'm making this video, guys, we are up a lot, 6%, man. Palantir is bouncing as well. We're actually pushing $80 per share again. So this was at 82 on Friday, it looks like, right? We got the DeepSeek news, and that shocked the market a bit. Well, we got that news like a week ago, whatever it was, but, it hit the market yesterday aggressively, whatever. We covered that. No need to go over it again. Palantir went down to 70 yesterday, and now we're, again, pushing 80. So we're up 15% off the lows from yesterday. That's great. Now we're pushing back to 80, but you guys can see this is still a big resistance. $80, $82, $83. Big resistance over the last couple of weeks. And actually, wait a second, guys. You see this right here? Do you guys know what that is? That is a clear cut. Yes, you heard that right. Clear cut inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see that? Actually, pretty textbook there. Let me draw it out and show you guys. This looks pretty good, right? So this potentially could lead to more upside. Not guaranteed, obviously, but I'm liking it, right? It looks pretty good. We have that inverse head and shoulders and a cup and handle, depending on how you look at it, depending on how you slice it and dice it, guys. You guys see the cup and handle. We just have to break 80, 81, 82. That's the big spot in the short term on PLTR. And I'll do an update on them tomorrow for sure. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And what else is moving? I mean, obviously, we have a bunch of big earnings this week. We have a bunch of them. Apple's later this week. Meta is tomorrow. Apple, all the big tech names are rebounding. Meta's up a good chunk today. 3%, all-time high, in fact, on Meta. It didn't really go down, actually, on the DeepSeek news at all. I don't think it went down at all, literally. Let me take a look here. I mean, I guess it did go down in the pre-market, but that got bought up like that. And, man, Meta's recovered $80 a share. Holy smokes. From the pre-market yesterday, that's a 12% pop. Insane. And it looks like here, what else? Microsoft's up 3% as of now. That's rebounded a good $35 a share, 8.5% off the lows. Apple, again, the biggest company for sure to keep an eye on this week. That is up 4%, rebounding from around 218 now to 240, up about 9-10% off the lows. And guys, Tesla, you got to keep an eye on it. They're reporting earnings tomorrow after the bell, and this thing's been in a steady downtrend for a couple of weeks now. I guess not weeks, but maybe a week-ish, right? Yeah, actually, no, I guess it is weeks. So we hit 488. Yeah, almost a month and a half. Holy smokes. So, yeah, we hit 488 back in December. Now we're at 396. So we are down about 20% almost. So bear market, almost there for Tesla. Let's see how earnings come out tomorrow. Of course, we'll break them down. A lot of content's coming out tomorrow, guys. Get ready for it. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and get your 30 stocks. The deal is insane. Check out the link down below for Moomoo. Open up your account. Fund it with at least $100, guys. You get 5 free stocks. It's nuts. Fund it with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. Insane. Totaling 30 stocks. So use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.